Okay, Megan, the question is, how many items do I need to list per week to stay on top of the algorithm on Poshmark? If it's 5 items a week, do I post those in one day, or do I need to be posting or listing every single day?
And this question comes from Groovy Vibes Girl. Groovy Vibes Girl has an awesome closet, so she's doing great already. But what I will tell you is, in order to keep the algorithm really rocking and rolling, you should be posting 5 a day, not 5 a week, 5 a day. But listen, you don't have to list. You don't have to sit down and measure this thing and list 5 things every single day. You just don't. What you can do is relist. You can go into one of your listings that's not getting a lot of traction, and you can relist it instead of sending another offer for something that you have listed at $35 and you're now sending someone a $12 offer. You're just resetting that by doing a copy and relist that thing, and then you delete the other one, the old one. You delete that, and then you've got a new listing that's now going to be refreshed and reliked and all new, and that's one listing, and you can do that 5 times in a day. If you don't have time, sit down and do your listings that day, and that's not the day you're listing things. Just real quick, do 3 or 4 or 5 relists. Maybe list one thing that's easy, a pair of shoes or something, and that will suffice. That works exactly the same as far as the algorithm gods are concerned. It's like a brand new listing. So it's a really, really quick way to keep the algorithm juiced and working for you.
So you're saying I need to post 5 items per day for 5 days a week?
Listing 5 things a day is the best way to keep the algorithm up and working for you. Now, like I was saying before, it's a slow burn off. So if you're really trying to amp up your closet and get people in and get the traffic going, you should be doing every single day. But as you get more stuff in your closet and you have lots of followers and lots of traffic, you can hold off a day. I do. I have to. We're running this business, so I have to drop off sometimes, and it doesn't ruin the algorithm, but it's not great. So it would be better for me if I just grabbed 5 things and relisted them really quickly on those days that I just can't get to it.